Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to day number 13 in our Disney Funko Advent Calendar. I hope you're enjoying this countdown as much as I am enjoying doing it for you. So today guys, we're going to go and open window number 13 to see which cute Disney character we get, you guys. Day number 13 right here. Let's see which one. Let's see which one we're gonna get, you guys. And today, guys, we got Mickey Mouse with a cute Christmas hat. And look at his outfit, you guys. Look at his cute outfit. It's a little sweater. He looks so cute, you guys. He's getting ready for Christmas. We're almost there, you guys. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share this video, you guys. And I'll see you on the next one, you guys.